Good morning, students. For today we are going to do the problem from the exercise 1.3, that is fifth problem. Here, before starting the problem, it is very necessary that you understand the problem first, then you can go for a answers or a solution. Here, understand first, what can the maximum number of digits be in the repeating block of digits in the decimal expansion of 1 upon 17 perform division. Here it is a simple division, but what they are asking how many digits in the quotients are repeating when you are dividing 1 upon 17. So here, as you can see, 17 is somewhat bigger number as compared to the previous problems. Yes or no? Yes. To solve such problems, I do have a advice for you or trick for you. Whenever you find a digit in a denominator which is somewhat larger as expected, what you have to do? Write table from that denominator. Suppose here 1 upon 17 is there. So what you have to do? Write table of 17 first. 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 34, 51, 68, 85, 102, 119, 136, 153 and 170. So for our understanding very easily, 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 34, 3 is 51, 4 is 68, 5 is 85, 6 is 102, 7 is 119, 8 is 136, 9 is 153 and 10 is 170. So as you know, we have to follow the same procedure as we have done in the previous problem. So here 1 upon 17 is there. What you have to do? You have to write 1 inside a box and 17 outside a box. This is known as dividend and 17 is known as a divisor. Here, as we know, 1 is smaller than 17. So it is not possible to divide 1 by 17. So what we have to do? We have to put 0 over here. And when you are putting 0 on a dividend, what you have to do? You have to put point on a quotient. Before point, as many zeros as you can wish, you can put it. Okay. So 0 point means it is 10. Now 10 is also less than 17. Again, this division is not possible to divide. So what we have to do? We have to put another 0. Since there are two zeros, one zero have to be put in the quotient. Now 100 is larger than 17. So now we can divide this. So follow the tables. Which is the number which is nearest to 100? So as we can know, 85 is less than 100 also and smaller than 100 also. So 85 comes at a 5. So 17 5s are 85. As we already know, we have to subtract it. 100 minus 85 is 15. Now 15 is smaller than 17. Again, what we have to do? We have to put 0 over here. Now 150 is larger than 17. Division is possible. What is the nearest and smallest value from 150? As we can know, 153 is larger than 150. So 136 is smaller than 150. 136 comes at a 17 8s are 136. So 17 8s are 136. Subtraction. 150 minus 136 is 14. Yes or no? Yes. 14 is again smaller than 17. Since 14 is smaller than 17, we have to provide 0. 140 is larger than 17, which is the value which is closest to 140. We know that it is 136. So 17 8s are 136. 17 8s are 136. Subtraction. 140 minus 136 is 4. Yes or no? Now 4 is less than 17. What we have to do? We have to put over 0. Which is the nearest value of 40? 17, 34, 51. 34 is smaller than 40. So 17 2s are 34. Subtraction, remainder is 6. Yes or no? Yes. 6 is smaller than 17. Again 0. Nearest value to 60, that is 51. 3s are 17. 3s are 51. 60 minus 51, that is 9. 9 is smaller than 17. What we have to do? We have to put over 0. 90. Closest value to 90 is 85. 17 5s are 17. 5s are 85. 90 minus 85 is 5, and the division is keeps on continuing. So now you will ask, sir, हमारा तो पेज भी खत्म हो गया और डिवीजन तो अभी भी चल रहा है. So how can we do after this, after the page? तो आप क्या करो? What you have to do? You have to put another bracket, और उस ब्रैकेट के अंदर ये जो लास्ट रिमाइंडर है you have to write. So it is 5, and whatever the value you are getting in quotient, you have to continue over here. Don't start it from here again. You have to continue 2, 3, 5 and so on like that. So now again 5 is smaller than, again outside of the box is 17. 5 is smaller than 17. So what we have to do? Put 0. What is the nearest value to 50? That is 34. 51 is larger than 50, so it is not acceptable. 17 2s are 34. 17 2s are. Look over here. I am putting 2 over here. No, don't put here. Okay, we are continuing. This is not over yet. So 17 2s are 34. 50 minus 34 is 16. Yes or no? Yes. Now 16 is smaller than 17. What we have to do? We have to put 0 over here. Nearest value to 160. Nearest value to 160 is 153. So 17 9s are 153. 17 9s are 153. 160 minus 153, that is 7. 7 is smaller than 17. Again put 0. Nearest value to 70, 68. 17 4s are 17 4s are 68. 70 minus 68, remainder is 2. Now 2 is smaller than 17. Again 0. 17 ones are 17. Remainder is 3. We have to continue division. Still we since we get 1 over here and 1 over here. So 3 is there. We still have to continue. 3 is smaller than 70. Again put 0. Nearest value to 30. 17 ones are 17. 30 minus 17, that is 13. 13 is smaller than 17. Again put 0 over here. Nearest value to 130, that is 7s are 17. 7s are 119. 119. So here 11 you are getting. Minus, 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 minus. Okay. Again, still division is there. Put another box. 11 inside a box. 17 outside a box. 11 is smaller than 17. Put 0 over here. 17 stable. Nearest to 110. That is 102. 17 6 are. 17 6 are 102. Again, remainder is 8. 8 is smaller than 17. Again 80. Nearest value to 80, that is 68. 17 4s are 17 4s are 68. 80 minus 68, that is 12. Yes or no? Now 12 is less than 17. Put 0 over here. Nearest value to 120, that is 119. 17 7s are 17 7s are 119. 120 119 1. This reminder is again this reminder when we have started from. So can we say from this point digit will repeat again? Yes or no? Because to divide this, what we will put? 0. 10 is smaller than 17, that is not possible. Also you have to put 1 0 here and here also. So the whole quotient will repeat after this point. So what we are writing here? repeating from here. It was the most interesting and toughest problem of all. Yes or no? Yes. But once you do this, each and every problem from your text is very easy. You will feel that it is very easy compared to this problem. But I suggest you, once you do this by your own, so you have a grip in a first chapter. So that is how we can do. And how can we write quotient? 0.05. How many digits are repeating? Check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 digits in the quotient are repeating. So this division is non-terminating because still division is there. Yes or no? Still division is also there. So this division is non-terminating, but it is repeating. Yes or no? Because after this point all the digits are repeating itself. So that is how you can solve this problem 1/70. Now we are pausing the video for next problem.